Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today's a little different. I have my entire gear packed up and ready to go to New Jersey for a shoot for Mafia War Chronicles. However, today we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch. The S4 has arrived, and I'm very excited. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this. For your information, it does come with a plastic or rubber band that comes with the watch. I was under the impression that it didn't come with anything, it just came with the watch itself. So it is a really handsome looking watch. This is really nice. Now, I did get a metal band, and we will, in other words, this is a two-tone. I got this, I'll have a link in the description below to get this. And it comes with all the links and everything that we need. And it's really attractive looking. So this will go on to this like so and make this into a really snazzy watch. This is really impressive looking box though, I have to say. It's got little tabs on the inside here where you can open up. It comes with a smaller, shorter version of the same strap. So if it's too long, it takes another inch off. So it comes with a shorter strap. So, and it comes with two docking stations, so you can have one say in the office and one at home. Charging docks. Let's see what we have in the other compartment. Now we're opening up the other one, and it comes with 2 additional USB cables, okay, and only one charging, I guess, AC adapter, but it comes with two charging ports. So now it's charging. It says it's 75%. Look at that. Now that's pretty cool. All right, so that's pretty nice. So the watch is technically charged 75% when it came to me, which I like. I mean, this is not part of the unboxing, but I definitely want to do the metal band on this watch today. The new band is now on the watch. I took off 3 links, and it fits not snug, but it works. And it looks much nicer than the rubber band that was on the watch. Now, we're not going over the functions and features of the watch. This is more or less just an unboxing of it and showing you how it looks with the new band, because this is much nicer looking than that rubber thing that was on. All right, so now I need to pair this device with the phone, and anyway, and that's pretty much it, folks, for the unboxing. I want to thank Costco for allowing me to get this. This is a home run. Thank you very much. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.